few moments later.
Okay.
Magical glass bridge. Morning at Mario's house. What's happening? What is it? I'm coming. Mario, today it's your turn to buy fruit. All right. Hello. I want to buy all these fruits. Please sell them to me. Watermelon and persimmon fields is fresh and delicious. Okay, wait for me to pick them. Watermelons are picked one by one and loaded it all into the trunk. Next is persimmons. Thank you very much. Here you are. Thanks so much.
Okay.
Mario carries the fruit back home. Nearby, a farmer is planting fruit.
Wow!
Mario drives. Have you seen the sign prohibiting farming?
Hey, stop!
Do you see?
Oh, I want to plant fruit here. Oh.
Okay, I will help you keep the field. What? You want to make a bridge? Whoa. Mario digs a hole and buries the bridge pole. This is all you need. Horse concert. We need 4 pillars. Indispensable way up and down. One, two, three. A beautiful glass bridge spans the field.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Go! Go, 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 go! Uh-oh.
Alo. Ok, ok.
A few moments later.
Go, 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 go! Go!
How does a sugarcane juicer work? Morning! A new day begins! Oh, Mario's... His stumble and car is rushing toward him. Fortunately, Mario is...
Luigi, what do you think about making sugar cane juice?
fine. But the mushroom...
Sure, let's plant sugar cane.
Operate the gears and you plant.
Okay, hero making machine. The zeros are made straight. Luigi drives to buy a sugarcane juicer.
I need a sugar cane juicer. Here's the money.
Oh, bye.
Bye. I'm back.
Fed into the machine. Start the machine. The sugar cake is ready. Let's see how the machine works. We get the first batch of sugar cane juice. Places sugar cane juice into the barrel. Luigi takes the barrels of sugar cane juice to sell. It's such a fun job.
Hello.